I'm Kayla, and this is my CEP Lobby and Inspiration Wall presentation. We were required to redesign the lobby space and inspiration wall for CEP's Chicago location. The wall and lobby must represent their company culture and their brand. The budget for this was $30,000. My vision was to create a design for the wall that includes the company name and the 7 C's that describe who the company is. Also, I want the visitors to be wowed by CEP's lobby space and believe that they are making the right decision by choosing CEP for their designs. The theme is our past, present, and future. The design style that I chose was contemporary minimalist. Characteristics of a contemporary style include minimal decoration, use of strong lines, neutral color schemes. It's sometimes paired with an accent color, open and airy feeling, and glass, chrome, and wood materials. Characteristics of the minimalistic style include minimal decoration, furniture with visual appeal, sleek functional furniture, simple color scheme, accent wall or saturated hues, and everything has a place. I used glass, concrete, matte finishes, and wood materials. I used clean geometric lines, which were incorporated by the triangles on the wall and the reception desk. I used a neutral color scheme of white, black, and gray with an accent color of red, and I had an open floor plan. These are my inspiration images. These are the personas of 2 people, an employee and a client, that would most likely be in this space. George is 34. He's from Chicago and he works for CEP. He works as a 3D experience designer and he wants a work environment that is exciting, motivating, and reflects what the company does. He wants to feel motivated and excited to go to work every day. His dominance will be higher because he works there, he's familiar with the place, and so he would be more confident. Kelly is the client. She's 36, also from Chicago, and she works for the Blackhawks franchise. She is in need of an exhibit booth for a hockey expo coming up that the Blackhawks will be attending. She needs a booth that represents their franchise. Kelly and her team chooses CEP to design their booth because she sees their lobby space and how it's designed, and it reflects the quality of work that they are looking for. Her dominance is high, but still less than George's. She is less confident because she is not familiar with the workplace of CEP, but yet she's still confident and she will say what she has on her mind. The size of this lobby space is functional. This space is the initial impression of the company to the clients and visitors of the company, and the form is rectangular. The textured floor material defines the lobby space. The floor material in the lobby is different than the floor material in the back work areas. The curved ceiling above the inspiration wall defines the other spaces that aren't shown for the public. It is partially enclosed, but otherwise is an open area because it is a lobby space. A visitor of this office space will walk in the front door there. They will come in, first see the inspiration wall, and then head to the reception desk. They will talk to the receptionist and then head to the waiting area and sit down and wait for their meeting. The occasion is the users in this space would come into the lobby to wait for a meeting, or employees will meet in the lobby with other employees or greet a client. The players are the CEP employees and clients are the visitors. The resources are the lobby area and reception and waiting area within the lobby space. Surroundings are the other offices and rooms in the building. Rooms that are in the back part of the office that aren't immediately visible to the visitor. The space and place. The lobby is a subspace of the place and the entire CEP building is the place. The function. The initial impression of the company and what the clients and visitors would see. Path leads to multiple spots throughout the lobby, and they lead from each node, and each path goes to the different hallways leading back to the other work areas. The traffic flow is radial because there are multiple paths that radiate from one single point. The nodes in this space are highlighted by the yellow dots, and the paths are highlighted by the blue line. The landmark in this lobby area is the inspiration wall. It is the main focus in the space, and it is easily recognizable by the employees and visitors, and it is also in a high traffic area. It is the first thing that you see as you walk in the front door. The song I chose to describe the feeling of this space was The Wolf by Mumford & Sons. The inspiration wall, waiting area, and reception desk are placed in a specific way. The inspiration wall is placed to be the first thing that is seen when a visitor walks in. The reception area is placed next to the inspiration wall. It is the first thing that the visitor will do in this space. And the waiting area is near the inspiration wall and reception area, and is the second thing that the visitor will do. For this project, I started with researching the company. I had to reach an understanding of what this space would be used for. I first started with sketches and what the floor plan was and how to place the reception area, waiting area, and inspiration wall. Once I had an idea of what to do, I brought it into 3D and modeled it. Thank you.